Next question number 3. Question is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Okay. So let us first write sample space. S is equal to. Student, as I told you in previous practice set, the technique to write the sample space for 3 coins. Okay. We know the sample space for 2 coins. H. I am writing here the sample space for 2 coins. H, T, and TT. Okay. So you have to take these results. First you have to write with this result H. For example, the first result we will write H. All the 3 coins have head. Next result I will write H, T. See. H, T. Then H, T. Then H, T. Okay. We got 4 results. Now the same result again we have to carry. Instead of H, we have to write T there. So the first result we will get T. Second result T. Third result T. And last one is T. And therefore N of S is equal to 8. Followed? Students, if you remember this technique, you will never make mistake to write the sample space, because there is again probability that you will make mistake or you will write the same result 2 times. Okay. So here we wrote the sample space. Now we have to write the event. First event. To get at least 2 heads. Again the word at least comes. At least 2. That means 2 or more than 2 heads. Minimum we want 2 heads. More than 2 is also okay here. Okay. So which result we will take first? H. Because it is more than 2 heads. Then T. 2 heads are there. HTH. Here also 2 heads are there. HTT. Here this result we will not take, because here only 1 head is there and we require at least 2 heads. Then next we will take THH. THT also will not take. This also we will not take. So THH is the last result. Okay. So in each result you can see there is minimum 2 heads. Okay. Therefore N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow? Now next. Event B. To get no head. Not a single head we require. Okay, so which result we will take? You can see that in each result we have head. At least 1 head we have. Only the last result. In that we have all 3 tails. No head is there. So here in this event we will have only that outcome. T. No head is there. Therefore N of B is equal to 1. Followed? Now next one. To get head on the second coin. We want head only on second coin. First and third is not considered here. On second coin we require head. So here second coin is head is there. So we will write this first result H. Here also on second coin head is there HT. HTH. Here the second coin tail is there. So we will not take this result. This result also is not taken. Now we will take this because here second coin head is there. THH. Then THT. Here second point head is not there, so this is the last result. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, N of C is equal to 4. Next one. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Okay, this is the random experiment, and from that we have to write these events. So let's first write down the sample space. Okay, we will give the label for 3 men and 2 women. Suppose M1, M2, M3 are 3 men and W1, W2 are 2 women. Okay, 3 men and 2 women. M1, M2, M3 are 3 men. W1 and W2 are 2 women. From this, committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Okay, so let us write the sample space. Therefore, S is equal to, okay, we saw this type of question in practice set 5.2, that boys and girls, committee of 2 is formed. So same method we have to follow here. Okay, so the first possibility is M1, M2. M1, M2. What is the next possibility? M1, M3. See, M1, M2, M1, M3. The next possibility is M2, M3. Followed? From the name you can find out this committee. Now, we will take 1 man and 1 woman. That M1, W1. M1, W1. M1, W2. M1, W2. Okay. First man and then these 2 women. Now we will take this second man. M2, W1. M2, W1. M2, W2. For the second man, we took both the women. Now we will take third man. M3, W1. M3, W1. Then M3, W2. Followed? Both the men, 1 man, 1 woman. The possibility was completed. Now the last possibility is both the women. W1, W2. Close the bracket. Okay. So these are the possibilities that the committee of 2 persons we can form. Okay. Therefore, N of S is equal to, how many committee we can form? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These students, if you form the committee with this sequence, you will never make mistake. Okay, again see how I make the committee. M1, M2. M1, M3. Then M2, M3. Okay. Then I took 1 man and 1 woman. First I took first man. M1, W1. Then M1, W2. Then M2, W1. M2, W3. W2. Then M3. M3, W1. M3, W2. Okay. And the last possibility is both the women. So this way we can form the committee. Okay, these are the possibilities. Now from this we will write the event. The first condition for first event is there must be at least one woman member. Again here come at least one. Means minimum one woman should be there. If both the women are there, then also here the result is taken. Okay. So therefore event A we will write at least one woman member should be there. So we will start from this. From this result we will write all results M1 W1 M2 M1 W2 M2 W1 M2 W2 M3 W1 M3 W2 and W1 W2. This result also we can take because we want minimum one woman. If both the women are there, okay. So from this we will write the results. M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2, W1 W2. Therefore, N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Followed? If you remember these techniques, you will never make mistake. Okay. Next, event B. The condition is one man, one woman committee to be formed. Event B. Now here we require only one man, one woman. So which we will take M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2. One man, one woman. M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2. Therefore, N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Followed? And the last event is there should not be woman member. There is only men member. So we will take first three results M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. Because in other committee women are there. Okay. M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. So these are only three committees in which woman member is not there. Therefore, N of C is equal to 3. Next, sixth one. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. One coin and one die thrown simultaneously. So first we have to write the sample space. For coin we know the result, head and tail. And for die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These both the results we have to combine because we thrown it simultaneously. Okay. So first we will take the result from coin H and result from die 1. So the first result is H1. Second result H2. Head and 2. Then head and 3. Head and 4. Head and 5. Head and 6. Okay. See, this technique, again I am telling you, this technique you have to remember. I kept the coin result constant and I changed the result from that. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now I change the result of coin. I will take instead of H, I will take tail. So the next result will be T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Close the bracket. So here we completed the result. So how many results we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, n of s is equal to 12. Followed? Now we will write event. First event is to get head and an odd number. From coin we want head and from die we want only odd number. Therefore, A is equal to head and odd number. So which result we will take? H1. Next result we will take H3 because 2 is not an odd number, it is even number. H3. Then H5. We want head and odd number. So the results were completed. Therefore, n of A is equal to 3. Followed? Next is to get a head or tail and an even number. Head and tail, but from die we require only even numbers. Okay? So we have to take the result in which even number is there. Head and tail both is considered here. So first result we will take H2. Head and even number. Next even number is H4. H6. Then we will take T2, T4 and T6. Head or tail, but from die we want only even numbers and close the bracket. Therefore, n of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of B is equal to 6. Okay. Now next event is C. Number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Okay. But we know that on die there are only 6 faces. So we have only 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have the number which is greater than 7. So this event is impossible event. You will not get result in this experiment. Okay. So this event is empty bracket. You have to keep empty bracket. Okay. Or you can also write it as C is equal to null set. This definition you studied in 9th standard. What is the meaning of null set or empty set? If there is no any element in that set, then it is called as empty set. And here they gave the condition we required the number greater than 7. So on die we have only up to 6 number. We don't have greater than 7. So it is impossible. So this is empty set. So there is no element in that set. It is empty. Therefore, n of C is equal to 0. Followed? Now student, I hope you understood how to write the sample space, how to write the event and number of points in that event.